Hi there, I am Vakar Kiani and welcome to my channel English Art Learning. Today we are going to see direct and indirect speech, and this is our fifth video. In this video we are going to see how exclamatory sentences are changed from direct speech to indirect speech. First we are going to see what are exclamatory sentences. Sentences that express feeling and emotions are called exclamatory sentences. These sentences end with the mark of exclamation. ऐसे जुमले जिनमें जज्बात का इजहार किया जाता है हम उसको एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं और इन जुमलों में के आखिर में हम साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हुरा, आई won द मैच एंड दिस इज अ स्टेट ऑफ joy. Alas, I could not qualify for the next round. This is a state of sorrow. Wow, what a beautiful house. This is a state of wonder. Now we are going to see what are the rules we need to have to change from direct to indirect speech. The first rule is the word said will change into exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, and exclaimed with wonder. Inverted commas will change into that. The words like hurrah, alas, bravo, and wow will be eliminated. वर्ड लाइक व्हाट एंड वाओ विल चेंज इनटू वेरी. अब रूल्स ये कहते हैं कि हमारे पास वर्ड सैड एक्सक्लेम्ड विद जॉय, एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सोरो, एक्सक्लेम्ड विद वंडर में चेंज हो जाएगा. इन्वर्टेड कॉमास की जगह हम दैट को लगाएंगे और हमारे पास अगर वर्ड हुरा, अलास, ब्रावो, वाव है तो वो दोबारा नहीं लिखे जाएंगे. वर्ड लाइक व्हाट एंड हाउ को हम वेरी में तब्दील कर देंगे. Now we are going to see examples. The first example we have, that is, he said, "Hurrah, I won the match." Now this is a state of joy, so that's why said and hurrah will change into exclaimed with joy. Now we have inverted commas here, and that will change into that. We have the first person pronoun, and that will change according to the subject of reporting speech and will change into he. We have now second form of the verb, and the second form of the verb will always change had plus third form of verb. So the sentence will be, he exclaimed with joy that he had won the match. The second sentence we have, she said, hooray, my son has got first position. Now the word said and hooray will change into exclaimed with joy. Inverted commas will be replaced by the word that. My, the first person pronoun, will change according to the subject of reporting speech and will change into her. So we have the word has will change into had. So she exclaimed with joy that her son had got first position. These are the examples of joy. Now we have examples of sorrow. The first sentence, he said, alas, Pakistan has lost the match. So the said word sad and alas will change into exclaimed with sorrow. Instead of inverted commas, we're gonna write the word that, and Pakistan will remain as Pakistan and has will change into had. So the sentence will be, he exclaimed with sorrow that Pakistan had lost the match. The second sentence, again said and alas. Ahmed said, alas, I cannot get admission. Said and alas will change into exclaimed with sorrow. Inverted commas will be replaced by the word that. I, the first person pronoun, will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech and it will change into he. Can will change into could, and the sentence will be, Ahmed exclaimed with sorrow that he could not get admission. Now we have examples of wonder. The first example we have, she said, "Wow, what a beautiful car it is." Now said and wow will change into exclaimed with wonder. Again, inverted commas will be replaced by the word that. And now we will change this sentence into assertive order, and it will change into was. She exclaimed with wonder that it was a beautiful car. The second sentence we have, he said how well she sings. Now the word said will change into exclaimed with wonder. Inverted commas will be replaced by the word that, and she is a third person pronoun, so that why it will not be changed, and the first form of the verb will change into second form of the verb. Now we have the word how, and how will change into very. So the sentence will be, he exclaimed with wonder that she sang very well. This is the end of our lecture. Thank you so much.